600 Forest Road, Talladega National Forest. Hope to get some good footage today. It's starting to mist, kind of foggy. Let's see how this turns out.
I don't know what it is, but these Lexuses with the nice knobby tires, they look good.
It's a group out of Atlanta that called GRXers that all they do is lift and outfit the old GRs. Very capable vehicles.
It's amazing how many luxury vehicles are actually very off-road capable. They just don't really advertise it around here.
We've got a brief pause on the trail. We've got a Nissan Titan in front of us getting snatched. He was off camber, too many wheels in the air, could not get traction. We've been following behind this XC40 Volvo. She's been on 3 wheels more than she's been on 4, but she's driving on through. Not much ground clearance, but so far nothing too spectacular. We're still on 600-1. 600-2 is going to be a little bit more technical, and I believe she and the guy in the Titan will be doing a bypass when we get to that point.
Yeah, I definitely thought this was more of a...
You're doing fine.
Flat dirt.
You're off. I'm doing my YouTube thing, but I just was narrating a second ago. You're on 3 wheels more than you are on 4, but I mean, you only bottomed out, I think, once over here. But yeah, you just watch these high centers. That's really...
I definitely wouldn't have brought my...
I don't know about this.
It's long. I'm just worried about this getting through this part right here.
Yeah. Was he off the ground too? Is that why he was spinning, or was it?
I don't know. Just went. Good to see what happens. I'm so worried about this rock that I'm getting ready to drop off of. But I totally thought, I read the, I kept saying to him, are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
I know that.
Stock SUV.
Yeah, and this trail changes a lot though, from what I've heard. This is my first time, but I know a lot of people who've done it, and it changes depending on how much rainfall and how much usage. Pulled off for lunch, hiking up to the overlook here. I will put at the bottom of the screen what mountain ridge this is, because at this point I have no idea. We just took a break at the overlook on Horn Mountain. We're still on 600-1. We're about to pull out and continue down the trail. I've gotten my hike in for the year. I will edit out the huffing and the puffing. Back to Memphis from the Talladega National Forest ride on 600, 1 and 2. It was a good time. Hope I got some footage that y'all will enjoy. We are about to pass Talladega Super Speedway, and then we're going to Buc-ee's, or the Beaver gas station, whatever that place is. And I'm gonna do a drive around of their however many gas pumps they have, but it looked huge the other night from the interstate. So, see you in a bit. Now that's a lot of porta-johns out there. Talladega Super Speedway. Nice berm. There we go, that's the front stretch grandstands. We've spent many a fun day and night out there. We are driving through Buc-ee's in Leeds, Alabama. Just driving around being a nerd, looking at all the gas pumps, because we ain't got nothing fancy like this in Tennessee. This is section way over, and that's pumps. I don't know how many pumps this one has. That one has 48 pumps. Yes, 48 pumps at that little station. Look at these right here. I'm telling you, there's 40. Look at that person. Did y'all see the idiot I captured on film there? They're morons. That, but you know, don't want to insult any of y'all that live in Alabama, but that one was a Bama fan. I don't know, 228 is the pump number on that pump island right there. I'll just tell you one thing. I'm overly stimulated at all the petrol tanks here. Do you imagine how much fuel they have to store in the ground here? All right. I'm gonna pull in this pump right here by this Penske truck. At pump 212. Big thanks to Cheap State Overland and Peach State Overland for putting together such a great ride. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you out on the trails.